talk. Look at this nigga reply. Nigga, that's some anime shit. Like,
delete that shit on the line.
Yo, what
niggas in the road by win?
What's up, though? What's up, vlog? Hey, it's your boy JVC on the mic.
Just get a picture of that, man.
Ridiculous! He said, let me put that in there, that in there, that in there. Let me put some more of that.
We even have 539.
What's up?
My fault, yo. Shorty, I told this bitch don't call my phone. This bitch just pissed me off.
Give me a refill my shit up, though.
Nah, why bro hit us with the Mike Tyson?
Yeah, y'all niggas not buying? Like, I just can't.
We gonna stop on the road. We gonna stop.
I don't need none right now.
Riding it right now. There's more shit.
We got shit.
Simple at 7, that 13. I know I don't get nobody perk, but that math I know. Nigga said 12. That nigga look at it, man. Nigga didn't know shit.
Hey man, get the camera on me.
What the fuck?
The camera on me. I gotta wake myself up, yo. The 7 hour though, I gotta wake myself up. I don't know if I can do it. Stomach full, 7 hour drive.
Stomach full.
Alright, bro.
Yes, bro. I got.
Y'all be safe. 5:47. Florida, we on the way, man.
We at that light, right? We move it. I look in my rear view because someone's tailing the shit out of my ass. I look up, nigga. We're Michael fucking Jordan. We're Michael fucking Jordan, nigga.
I'm on my phone, nigga, chilling, nigga. I look up, I said, why the fuck are we in midair?
Let me hear you say, Daddy's home.
It's IV in them niggas, bro.
Bro, these niggas talking about they 40. I'm like, what the fuck? The niggas are
smart on Jordan.
What a legend.
Hit with a flying elbow.
This nigga's a legend.
Y'all are dead ass wrong for having that big ass nigga Mari in the back. Oh, you stretched out, huh? They stretched your little piece out.
Ooh, shit.
I don't know what y'all walking in my room for, man.
You got a kid, nigga?
So, yeah, whoa.
You got a little bit of room in there? Little mom? No, shit.
Whoa. Yo! No!
Hey, man.
Alright, today.
Oh, wait, we can't park on the street. Oh, wait, we're not even on the street.
We're not even on the street, nigga. I mean,
Well, you might be in a second.
car is low.
There's no
It was
75.
70. It was 70.
On God.
On what?
Nigga,
On
it was
God.
75.
There is no speed limit that's over 75.
gave you
It was
the
70. Speed limit was 75.
There's no way it was 75.
But either way, you was doing over 20 over, so you getting taxed. You getting hit.
No, it was 70.
Nigga, they do the same shit as my stepdad. You getting hit.
75. On God.
There's no speed. Hey, look, I be, look, look at me. There's no speed limit
over
that's 70.
70.
No, it says 70.
It doesn't matter what the officer wrote. There's no.
70 and then minimum 40.
Exactly.
But
That's why
you
you
know that fucking 70.
Nigga, you said 75. Let's go say
Exactly.
That nigga talking.
I feel like that bitch said 75 on my tape.
There is no speed limit
says
in the
75
world
on
except
that
Germany that's over 75.
You know he wasn't right mentally. Why y'all not stopping?
That was the last number he seen before he stopped.
On the dash. That was the last number.
That's
The
not the
last
last
number we saw was 0, nigga, when we stopped that bitch.
About 15, y'all seen the video.
Right.
Even that bitch as she needs it on.
Right.
It was bad. So we spent about 15 at that gas station. We come out the gas station. About 2 hours later, I'm zooming down the street. Going one-on-one.
Oh my God.
It was some bullshit though because everybody else was going the same pace. I wasn't zooming past nobody.
Right.
If I was going one-on-one, we was all going one-on-one.
Right.
That's it.
Type shit.
So niggas hitting over in the corner in the bushes. I boom past his ass. Bro was hitting like fuck. Zoom past his
Nigga.
ass.
The dialogue in that car was so
As soon as I
common.
zoomed past his ass, I look in the little rear view joint and I see him come up out his shit. And I was like, okay, he came out a little late. It was like 10 seconds after I zoomed past him, so I was like, okay, let me try to like maneuver and
That
gap his
nigga
ass.
hawked that nigga down.
I tried to gap this nigga, he hawked me down. He turning bitches on. I swear, bro, he was in a Batmobile with this shit.
Was it the
Nigga, he tried.
SUV?
Nigga, we low key gapped.
I know exactly. Remember that Charger that was.
Nigga, we low key gapped his ass. with some
I know
shit.
exactly what you're talking about. Was he like on like a little hill?
I'm about to bust this bed real quick. Y'all talking about nightclub? Let's do that at night, right? Come on, let's do
Hey,
it.
bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This house is hard as shit.
Nah, for real, especially the outside.
You're welcome. You know, had to walk in.
Let's not do this.
We gotta get it.
It's done.
What are you talking about? You found it?
Hey, look at this nigga with his bucket head.
You found it? Oh God, he didn't find it.
Hold on.
What's on it?
We in the bed with it. Hold on.
You got any words of encouragement, E?
Keep going. Don't let life get you.
Say, you gotta roll that back for this.
Don't fuck with no bad bitches in the bad spot.
Shirt though, y'all ain't. This ain't no regular Cheeto.
Car on the tit.
This ain't no regular.
Stay in school, kids. Go to
Stay in
college.
school, shut the bitch ass up. Fuck that school, get money.
That nigga's in
I
pain.
think he's in school.
nigga's
That
in
fuck
pain.
nigga dropped out.
He's in
That's
pain.
why I said
I'm in
stay-
basketball
That's why I
court.
said stay in school, kids. You don't want to be out of school and not be like, you know, you want something to do. Like he's going to the NBA, so
And work clothes and vlog.
this nigga put in work.
Niggas, they just chefed up.
Post game boots,
Chefed
easy with it,
Salmon and
rice. You know, something simple. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you want to get big like Rose, this is what we get into. Easy meal prep.
game went on the way. What they call?
Are we serious? And then they say the challenge.
Man, we forgot to get juice, so we got this little Dollar General. Try it.
It probably is. He had a $1 off. No, that was crazy. I was like, nah.
You might as well get another
As
brick.
if we get stopped, I swear I'm killing all you niggas, bro.
I think it's
Fuck wrong with him, dummy?
Baseline drive.
Nigga, he opened it up. You never give up baseline. You never give up baseline.
Come on, you never give up baseline. You know that. That's rule 1. Shit, I'm jumping for the birds. I'm jumping for Jesus out this point. God, please. There's nothing we can do about that. Y'all at 1 point, bro. Y'all gotta see this the whole. Y'all gotta see this the whole. Why am I having to play? Party is ref. We're about to kill this nigga. He's face guarding.
I hope they
I'm giving you a pro move. Stop face guarding.
Cause that'll be some.
Great guy.
fuck is this?
Off the what?
You got the apple.
Is aloe berry, motherfucker?
Aloe berry.
Or apple?
Nigga V early on the sticks getting whooped.
Busting my ass and I'm winning. Great day.
Dicky.
I just got back from the gym, bro.
Alright, bro. I'm done with that. This nigga's tired as fuck.
Yeah, that nigga's not getting home. Damn, that nigga's not getting home.
Yeah, B.
Yep. Whoa, whoa. Chill. Hold on, though. That bitch smooth.
Gotcha.
I was running that though. Hold on. Damn.
See what you can do, bro.
My legs is burning. 360 flip. 360 what, bro? This nigga just said something about dying.
All right. 360. You good, yeah?
My fucking right, that shit just got me right, nigga. I'm out of breath. Fuck.
On the head up.
Alright, everybody get in line. Just gonna walk out the front door.
What?
Like y'all gonna open the door.
They know this is my city. They didn't want to believe me when I said this is where we at with it.
Not my city. It's not my city.
You're a little bit more down south, you know what I'm saying?
What the fuck? 10 traditional to 15?
With no fries.
They're squeaky.
Yeah, I would have won before, but nigga, not finish that shit.
Right.
Too many
I had this nigga paying for my meal last time. He wasn't gonna win.
That's the last time we played.
No, you didn't. You burned my team.
And you're a star player. Do something.
Okay, I did. I did everything I could.
Ain't doing enough.
I did everything I could. I can't help my teammate doesn't hit things.
Oh, man, explain what you got.
I represent where I come from, Go Owls. I haven't graduated yet, but I'm still an alumni.
Okay.
Yellow Vans, something real simple.
Okay.
Nothing too crazy. Got the jean shorts on.
Just keep it simple. I ain't getting no fleets because nigga, we keep it on the low.
Keep it on the fucking low.
Blue plain Walmart tee, you know what I'm saying? Brown corduroys, thrifted,
Brown
you know what I'm
corduroys.
saying? Skate shoes, nigga, you know how I do this. No Lupe. Come on.
Off-whites, nigga. You know, it hurts.
It
hurts me
hurts?
the most, like, you know what I mean? I'm not really worried about that shit. Double BBs.
Double BB.
Really hurts.
That's why niggas need to be 21. Late for it.
Me, you know, I just rock a lot of things. I really don't like having shoes everybody has. I like wearing my own type. You see, I mean, not those people got them, but it's only like the cool folks. Like, I know he got a pair.
Like, yeah.
But who you think gonna come to the store and grab those?
Yeah.
They trying to be cool. They're gonna be Skechers because you know
feel
they're
you.
trying to be cool and shit. You don't always gotta be cool, man. And stop wearing skinnies, man.
This is the team, man. It's me, Hope, Dooley, Ocho.
Just like that, come my way, then find
Yeah, it's not like we did so good too far. We killed them the first game. Bro, what did this nigga just put on?
Some shit. Walked up and said, "What did you say your age was again?" Or some shit like that. She said, "I didn't tell you my age." I was gonna be like, "Damn, I thought I walked up and already asked you that." So, what's your age? Flip it on her, make her laugh a little bit. Big ass boss or coworker nigga come out of nowhere, right? Hit me with a mean ass screen. I thought I was gonna get a back tap off. Ran into a brick wall, hit the ground. She walked in here, I'm thinking I'm about to work on something, phone out, full conversation. I'm like, damn, bitch, you just sent me a double? Fuck. I really can't work out here with this shit, man. Then I'm already in some fucking draws. Like, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, bro. What the fuck?
Crazy.
Alright, boy. The real cameraman. He on his lunch break right now. You only get 2 of those. Only 2.
That shit all on his tab. Which tab? I don't know.
What is that?
You on the point? Or you
No, I'm like 2.
2? Okay, so do you, man. Oh, man, okay. I'm a little old to play y'all right now. Yeah. I ain't gonna give you 50. I ain't gonna give you 50, but you gonna know him in the game.
Oh yeah.
I make a difference. Kind of like Green on the Warriors.
He don't really do nothing.
You don't do nothing, but I'm saying, if that nigga not part of the equation,
He don't like deep dominance. Nigga, I like dominance. Put his face in the pillow. Fuck.
That they got. If Katie wasn't a part of that, they wouldn't get.
They wasn't getting them to. They wasn't getting them to.
You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
You know what? You mess with Russell Westbrook?
Westbrook is a beast, bro. I'm not even trying to hear nothing nobody's saying right now.
Yeah.
Back up.
He's garbage.
He tripping, bro. He tripping.
No, he's bad.
He been hating on Westbrook.
He doesn't really get to the money like how I get to it. He don't really get to it like me. I get to the bucket.
Yo, you like 21?
No,
My nigga. No, really, my nigga.
Talking about old Westbrook. That nigga do it all. He's just not a good shooter. That nigga broke records with triple double.
Westbrook, young boy. Fuck is you geeking for?
I'm too old right now. You gonna be young later?
Nigga start recording.
Yo, I came here, got the bouncing and shit on it.
Nigga hit the. What the fuck are you? What time? I love you. Damn, I'm over for 2 days. Like, this shit is getting Bye, man. No? She about to pull up on her nigga or something? Like, what the fuck? Like, am I missing? Like, but all smiles, bro.
Nah, imagine that.
Hey, papito.
Get your record route.
Did you just put $7 in your car?
You put $7 in the car?
Already chilling. We already got one.
You put 7 in there?
She's already chilling.
Did you? I'm asking a question. Did you put 7 in there?
The number says 8.
I mean, is there confusion behind the number?
Like, I don't even like
the phone, I look up, that nigga, oh!
What's the curve?
Another flat, man.
He hit that bitch hard though.
Hit the curb?
He hit that
Another
bitch
flat
hard.
is crazy.
Curb? It's this nigga. Every time he hit the car, some shit happened with the wheel.
Yo, go, Tyrone. This nigga has no car. This nigga's not locked. That's locked?
Make sure the bag ain't gotta push past one. Stuck at the top of the chain, the top of her brain, can't follow.